Jigan ọ̀rọ̀ ṣá dá lórí Jigan yìí sá. Jigan ẹsẹ̀ kò tó lẹ̀. Wọ́n yẹ̀yìn lẹ tún pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó yẹn, I'm sorry to say Jigan, I have to say this one. Wọ́n yẹ ẹ̀yin náà lọ gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ sojú yín. Ẹ sì bọ́ tẹ wá ń káàpù. Àyàn dàlẹ̀ ní yín Jigan, olórí burúkú ẹ̀dá ni yín. Naira Marley dẹ̀ bọ́ yín for how many years? Ẹ gbé nínú ilé Naira Marley for good 1 year. Ẹ jata ẹ jẹ́pù ẹ̀. Jigan bàbá ọjà, ẹ jata epo Naira Marley. Ẹ ná owó ẹ̀. Wọ́n yẹ ẹ̀yin náà lẹ tún pé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lẹ sọ pé ẹ̀yin gẹ́lẹ́ tún gbé kinní kan, ẹ̀yin lẹ gbé gbá gbogbo yín náà máa padà kó tẹ máa padà lọ tender evidence yẹn.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti wá dójú ẹ̀ o nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Jigan tí ń lọ lọ́tún tí ń lọ lósì, kódà ọ̀rọ̀ Jigan ti wá di àlọ́ tí ì ṣe lórí alábàáwọn. Bọ́mọdé ṣe ń pariwo Jigan ìyẹn lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àgbà ń pariwo Jigan bàbá ọjà lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ǹjẹ́ kí ni Jigan ṣe gan tí ọmọdé àti àgbà fi ń pariwo Jigan lọ́tọ̀ lósì? Kí ni ọ̀rọ̀ tí Jigan sọ fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ gbogbo fọ́nrán bó ṣe lọ, àti pé kí ló fa ntọ́mọdé àti àgbà fi ń pariwo Jigan káàkiri orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Mohbad ìyẹn ìlérí olúwa tí ó kú ní ọjọ́ àìtọ́jọ́, òun náà ni ó fa gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tí ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Jigan. Kí ni ipa tí Jigan kó nígbà tí Mohbad kú, àti kí ni àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tó gbé? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ farabalẹ̀ tẹ́ gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán, àti pé kí ni àṣírí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Jigan. Kí ni Jigan sọ fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán. Ẹ má jẹ́ gbà yín lákòókò ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ta kán ká wá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ bó ṣe lọ. Orí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà lẹ́wà. Tá bá rí ẹnikẹ́ni tí ò tí subscribe sórí ètò wa, ẹ subscribe sórí ètò wa. Kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ lè má jàǹfààní bá àbá tó ṣe mú fúnra wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé. Ó yá, ẹ wá lọ gbọ́rọ̀ bó ṣe lọ lẹ́nu Ìyábọ̀ Òjó.
Angry. Then I got a call. Jigan, I am sorry. I would have to say this, right? Because I already said it when I went to the police in Abuja. Then I got a call from Jigan. And then Jigan confirmed to me that it did happen, and he was the one that even saved Festus. That I should ask Festus. That he was the one that took Festus, took him to the toilet. Do you understand? Made him vomit everything, you know, and then took him into the car so that he was the one who took it, and he warned Festus never to come there again. That Jigan was the one that confirmed it to me, and that's when I was like, okay, so this actually happened. Then I was driving that day. I was very angry that day. I was talking, and then I saw Very Dark Man's post about failed that trace, no failed that trace. I was angry already. That's why you could see that I could not even wait to get where I was going. I did a live video where I blasted, where I insulted his mom, and then I made mention of that. Immediately after that video, my children started calling me, mommy, we have begged you now, we have told you don't say anything, just let it go. I said, okay, I will let it go, but I am a mother. I will be angry. I will be angry because it's a gradual process. And it's going to be from my own side. Taba fi owo si bomowi, I fi owo tun famora. Do you understand? I said, if eventually we do that, and the people start accepting you back, and you do a good song, not the one you'll be talking about breast and not this one, I will vibe to it for you. And I would also speak to my man to see how he can help you, because he's a promoter. I can do that for you. But we just need to sit down with our lawyers and see how we can do this. Because, yes, you've been vindicated that you did not kill him. Everybody knew you were not there. But those videos, they still live in people's memory. I said it there. I said if you had deassociated yourself from Sam Larry, maybe it would have helped. But people feel like you are enabling the person that bully. You know, what people watch with their eyes is different from what you are telling them. You know, but you tell me something now, I can choose to be empathetic towards it or not. But when I watch something, it is hard to erase it from my memory.
Àwọn Yorùbá wọ́n lọ wọ́n bọ̀ ọ́, wọ́n ní orúkọ rere ó sàn ju wúrà òun fàdákà lọ. Ǹjẹ́ ohun tí Jigan ń ṣe tẹ́ fi ń pariwo Jigan lọ́tún Jigan lósì, ǹjẹ́ ohun tó bójúmu ni bí? Ṣé ohun tó yẹ kán máa bá lọ́wọ́ ọmọlúàbí ni ń bá lọ́wọ́ ìyẹn Jigan bàbá ọjà? Ìyẹn ní o. Ẹ tún wá wo fọ́nrán yìí bí ó ṣe ń lọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbáláyé nípa ọmọkùnrin Fẹ́rídàpọ̀n àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sọ àwọn àṣírí kan nínú fọ́nrán yìí lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Fẹ́rídàpọ̀n, ṣùgbọ́n Fẹ́rídàpọ̀n náà wá ta kán. Ó sọ àwọn àṣírí kan tá a fẹ́ jẹ́ kẹ́yìn èèyàn ó mọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà lẹ́ gbọ́ nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ farabalẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ fọ́nrán yìí kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ bó ṣe ń lọ.
I have left justice for Mohbad. Don't let me start it all over again. It is not a traitor. Because I am calm now. You know, you said it that the Yabo you knew then has changed. Yes. I'm a soon-to-be grandma, and I just felt like make I keep my black bonnet for inside cooler. Because we don't need all these distractions. There's a lot going on in this country. People are suffering. People are suffering. We have a lot of economical issues. We have a lot to tackle, deal with. There's some things that the governments are doing right that we're supposed to talk about. And there's some things that they're not doing right that we're supposed to talk about and debate about. But all these distractions. Naira Marley did not die. He still produced songs. I know he has released them.
Jesus! Hey! Queen Mother don't know about Nigerian economy. Finally, people are suffering. No need justice for Mohbad now. It's now a distraction for the people that are suffering. This same thing we wanna carry. We wanna do protest for. We wanna go police station for. It's now a distraction for the people that are suffering. That we should leave it alone now and start talking about the economy of the country. And they call me a manipulator. Jesus Christ. All of a sudden, Queen Mother cares about Nigeria. There goes the voice of the voiceless. Oh my God, the voice of the voiceless. Wow. People are suffering. It's a distraction. A lot of people are suffering. But now come back Nigeria first. God damn it. I went through your page. When was the last time you spoke about Nigeria? All of a sudden, justice for Mohbad don't they go towards the right direction. Finally, people are suffering. And justice for Mohbad is now a distraction. God damn it. And they say VDM is manipulative.
Galeo.
You see that live video you did yesterday? You don't finally bring yourself calm. I tried so hard to avoid everything about you because of the agreements you people had that you come to the public and tell them the truth. But for some reason, it felt like if I come and tell Nigerians that, oh, this is something that happened, this is why I did what I did, the Nigerians will look at you as a liar. Oh, how the mighty are falling. Oh, how the... Anyway. I'll play him again. Let me play it again. God damn it. God damn it.
And I just felt like make I keep my black bonnet for inside cooler. because we don't need all these distractions. There's a lot going on in this country. People are suffering. People are suffering. We have a lot of economical issues. We have a lot to tackle, deal with. There's some things that the governments are doing right that we're supposed to talk about. And there's some things that they're not doing right that we're supposed to talk about and debate about. But all these distractions. Mani did not die. He still produced songs. I know he has released like 2 songs or 3 songs.
Oh boy. Nothing bust my head reach this one. This are the highest when she never do. Go leave this thing. You gotta learn. And you will learn the hard way. Don't play.
ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé bí mo ṣe wọlé ló yẹ kí n ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ló ká mi lára o. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà níbikíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti láǹfààní àtòrí ọ̀fẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ ti ń gbọ́ mi lágbára Ọlọ́run Elédùmarè. Ojú tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wò mí ojú náà ò ní fọ́ o, etí tẹ́ ẹ fi ń gbọ́ mi etí náà ò ní di. Oréré létí gbogbo wa mọ̀ gbọ́. Ẹ wo níbi tá fi àdàgbà ètò ìsọlẹ̀ sí lónìí rè bó bá tó ṣe ń lọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Jigan bàbá ọjà tí àlọ́ ìdálé lórí àti Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Fẹ́rí Dapọ̀n lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad. Gbogbo ẹ̀ náà là á jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ́ ọ gbọ́. Ẹ ṣí ẹ̀ fọ́nrán yìí, ẹ jẹ́ kó kan ọmọdé kó kan àgbà kó kan ọkùnrin kó kan obìnrin. Tá a bá rí ẹni tí ò tí subscribe sórí ètò Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ẹ subscribe. Ó ní kinní kan bí aago báyìí tó wà ní abẹ́ fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ fọwọ́ tẹ kinní bí aago kẹ́yìn náà kẹ́ subscribe sórí ètò wa kẹ́ lè mọ̀ jàǹfààní bá a bá tún ṣe mú fọ́nrán wá fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri gbogbo àgbálá ayé. Ẹ wo àdúrà mi sí gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Kúnlé Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni pé ire lójú owó rí, ire lójú ọ̀la rí, ire lójú gbogbo wa mọ̀ rí o. Ire o, ó dìgbà, ìpàdé wa bí oyin.